What's up, guys? Spencer here from the Soul Sanity Sneaker Podcast. Today I got another review for you guys. This one's going to be real quick just because there's not a whole lot to this shoe. There is more than meets the eye. Shout out to Optimus Prime. But there's not a lot of story behind it, obviously. And I said this on the last pod, so go ahead and check that part out with us at Bozeman's with Mike Lang. But every shoe this year, like Jordan Brand can use that, celebrating the 40th anniversary of the brand and of the Jordan 1. That can be used for everything. But is this color really celebrating the 40th anniversary? Because we've gotten similar things before. This is the second color changing Jordan 1 we've gotten this year, and certainly not the first of its kind. Even prior to this year, Lance Mountain SB Jordan 1 High goes from black to bread and royal. We got the LA to Chicago. There's plenty of different color changing ones. I have an SB low Lance Mountain as well. So this is nothing new to us, but let's go ahead and get into it. So these are designed to be wear away and tear away, is what they said. But obviously I won't be testing it unless somebody wants to sponsor a video where we do that. I won't be testing it. The box is cool though. Maybe if somebody picks these up, I'll ask them if they want the box. But the box is cool. It's got a brushed paint stroke vibe. That's pretty cool. But let's see what this says. The graphic finish of this shoe is designed to flake off with wear over time, resulting in a unique appearance. That's literally what I was going to say. As you guys can see, there's a trim that you can see all around the shoe, kind of hinting at what colors are where. But there is obviously there's a secret layer under this, but apparently there's a secret third layer that wears away under that turns white. So you can give this a very, very unique style. So like I said, these are designed to give a unique look over time through wear or through intentional customization. Obviously, I'm sure you can do a lot of cool things with these, with there being 3 layers total. So you could leave some black, make this part white, and then reveal only specific colors in certain areas. Obviously to an extent, because if they do wear away, like the more you wear them, obviously you won't be able to keep it the same forever, but you could do some interesting art concepts with these. I think that is pretty cool. We have an extra set of laces here, sail or muslin. That's what this is. This is a black muslin, so this color right here. But these are probably sail. So, and interestingly enough, like this is white, which I think speaks to the third white layer underneath, because why else would they include that? What's funny about there being an extra white layer is that the mock-ups of this did show like basically like a Panda Air Jordan 1 with the rainbow color underneath as well. So it's kind of funny that there ended up being some white on it anyway, even though the mock-ups were very, very incorrect, as far as what the actual shoe was going to look like. They had a kind of iridescent, glossy look to the mock-up that obviously this is like a rubbed off, almost rugged, like this isn't watercolor type stroke on the paint, but it's very, it's rough, it's unfinished. It gives off a rugged feel. So I think they're pretty cool. I will not be purchasing these. I will not be waiting around for these. I was about to use the excuse of there being too many things coming out, but I don't think I would be getting these regardless. So I'm not even going to sit up here and lie to you guys. But they are cool concept. But I'd rather have the Lance Mountain. I'd rather have the LA to Chicago. I'd rather have a lot of shoes other than this one. So, but you guys let me know down below what you guys think. If you like these, if you think that they'll look better once they're rubbed off, pause. Or if you think that they'll look better black, white, what colors would you show? I'm definitely sure we're going to see some interesting, customization with these, and I would love to be able to do that for you, but like I said, I will not be wasting my money on that one. So that's really all I got for you guys today in this video. So these do release on July the 31st for a total price of, I've seen 180 and I've seen 185. It's probably the 185, for the $5 tariff increase. This comes out on a Thursday. This is one of the mini releases this weekend. I'm going to have a bunch of videos for you guys. So make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscription bell so you will know every time I post a new video. We got pods coming. We got guests coming. New pod episodes on the way. There will be guests appearing. New shoes to talk about. Super excited for the Steel 10s this weekend. Super excited for the Undefeated 4s. Hopefully I can get those early. Shattered backboards. A bunch of stuff dropping this month. So make sure you stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and then follow us on Instagram over at the Soul Sanding Sneaker Podcast Instagram. And I will catch you guys out on another video. Peace.